coming up to the barn, and I need to build 2 doors for the front of a garage. I don't want to put an overhead door in at a rental house that we have. I want to put 2 doors that just open. Really, this small garage, it doesn't have to be even big enough for a car to get in. And I've not decided on dimensions yet. I'm thinking the doors are probably going to be 44 inches each wide. And the reason being is, let me get some of that light out. That was 4 was Kim's dad's number. And when I build a lot of stuff, if the dimensions aren't what they have to be, or my choice, I'll build 44 instead of 48. And I think everybody in the family does stuff like that. Anyhow, I got to build those doors today, and it's a nice cool morning, so I'm gonna get after it. Hey, well, I'm up at the barn and cutting some pine for these doors that I'm building. And I have got to say, this is the most enjoyable time that I've had since I've had my sawmill. Running the sawmill in the rain. Fortunately, for some reason, I put a log up here yesterday. Hair's a little wet, but this I enjoy. It is just very calming. I'm glad I built a roof over this. I know you can hear the rain. Along with the saw cutting these boards. That pine is actually, it's pretty clear for the most part. But just to be running this mill and doing this in the rain, again, I can't tell you how much I really enjoy this. Nice breeze. The dampness in the air keeps the sawdust from flying. So I'm gonna get back to milling. been good. But we got locked in. We can't get out of here. Help's on the way though. All right, here comes Billy to the rescue. Let us out of jail. Man,
Hey, what you know?
when'd you get that truck?
About a year ago.
Did you really?
Yeah, how you been?
I'm locked in.
Sorry about that.
No.
You would believe something so simple.
Talking about how I enjoy this up here. Yesterday when I got home, let me go over here. I don't know if you can see or not. Yeah. Let me get my phone situated. There you go. Those are some old frames out there for the bees to clean up for me. To the left of that is our buckwheat garden for the bees, and I got that tilled up yesterday. And when I got home today, I asked Kim if she had a chance to sow the seed, and she hadn't. And she changed clothes and said, I'm heading up to do this. And I said, in the rain? And she said, I love to plant in the rain. I love to work in the rain. And off she went. I went out there and sowed all her buckwheat. I think she scattered in a few sunflower seeds. Rain in the country, it's just nice. All right, here's my frame so far. Got some corner bracing and some plates in the center. That piece, and then a couple more there. Now I'm going to start fitting my boards in and see where I go from there. Well, this is the layout of the door. I've still got the second one to build. And I have so many other projects, as always, that I just wanted to get this video done so I can get it edited and get it off to you guys. But gonna do another one just like it, and I'll probably bring you along when I go to hang these. It's over at my buddy Mark's house. So I'm gonna leave a little message about frustration and then end this video. So thanks for being around. Go at life with the attitude of I can't wait to see what I'm gonna learn next. Hey, okay, I'm going to talk a little bit about frustration. You'll see me glance down probably quite a bit, referring to my notes. It's something, I wish I had learned this a long time ago, and really just started realizing it maybe over the past month or so. And so I did some searching on YouTube for videos about frustration and found this gentleman. I believe his name is Frank Sharpian, and I'll put up his website and part of this video. So anyhow, now and then You may come up against a situation where you feel like you hit a wall, you're frustrated that you can't move forward, and it might feel like there's no solution to it. So in this situation, you might feel like you lose sense of power, ability to move forward with whatever it may be that's causing you this agitation and frustration. But you can't argue with reality. Hi, Ellie Mae. Ellie Mae just came to join me. Yeah, reality is what it is. So it's not what happens, it's how we react to what happens. For me, it's usually trying to figure something out, building something, or just whatever I'm doing. And I've kind of learned to laugh at situations that I would normally let frustrate me. But it's just life. I noticed this, like I said, about a month ago, maybe a little longer. My son-in-law had borrowed my mower while his was in the shop, and I went over to pick it up, and it was out of gas. So I had to run home, grab my gas can, and head back, which was no big deal, none at all. I mean, we're only 2 miles from one another. But when I got back, I saw that he was frustrated because I guess he felt like he lost control of the situation and he should have put gas in it. And he did have gas, and we put it in it. The mower was sitting, it died on the ramps, putting it up on the trailer. And so the way the mower was, the tank, it couldn't pick up the gas that he put in it to start it and get it on up on the trailer. And when I got back, like I said, I saw he was still frustrated, which he really didn't need to be. And I told him, don't worry, it's just life. It's no big deal at all. But frustration, it starts right here, and it can be stopped right here. Like being stuck in traffic. You're late being somewhere, you're in a hurry to get somewhere, but you're stuck in traffic. And it can frustrate you, it can aggravate you, it can turn into stress. But think about it. You have no control over what is going on up ahead of you. Just try to learn to accept this is what life's moment is right now, and there's nothing you can do to change that. So don't let a seed be planted up here that's going to make you aggravated and stressful. Just accept the moment for what it is. Try to keep your internal peace in this moment. The stress and frustration start in our mind, and that's exactly where we can stop it. I'm gonna flip my page over here. Yeah, you can apply this to a lot of situations in life, and I guarantee you'll find yourself more at peace. It doesn't mean that everything in life that is a problem or is an undesired situation that you're going to go through life all happy and no problems. But it's a really easy way to just realize and recognize that, hey,
this is being started by me. I created this feeling of frustration inside and agitation, and I have the control to stop that and turn that around. So, like I say, for me, I don't know why it took me so long in life to realize that, like I say, I create the moment and I can change that moment. Anyhow, I hope this helps. A little bit different part of my videos. Most of mine is up here in the shop. I asked Kim the other day if she was going to do videos anymore, and she said she just didn't know. So pray for her. You should see the garden. I mean, she's doing great out there, and hers isn't frustration or anything. It's just something she's got to work past. With the passing of her dad and her being in the garden when that took place. So anyhow, like I say, I hope this helps you, and I will see you on the next video and show you what I'm into now. We're getting ready to head to my granddaughter's graduation for high school in a little while. Have a blessed summer, and I will see you next time. Thanks, guys.